Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're unboxing and reading this cute little ABC book. Look, my little book of ABC. ABC. A is for, let's find out. Oh my, wow. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Big A, little a. A is for apple. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for aeroplane. B is for boat. Boat starts with B. Butterfly. Look, it's butterfly. Butterfly starts with B. Boots starts with B. A is for ant. B is for banana. This is my little book of ABC. Next, this is C and D. C is for cat. Cat starts with C. It's a cat, cute little cat. C is for cup and C is for car. D is for dog. Look, it's adorable. Dog. D-O-G spells dog. D is for duck. Duck starts with D. Drum starts with D. D is for drum. And C is for cow. Cow starts with C. Sounds moo. It's a cow. D is for deer. It's C and D. Next. Wow. E and F, and there's an egg. Let's find out what's inside. Oops, oops, there you go. Oh my God, it's hiding. Egg is hiding. E is for egg. Egg starts with E. Elephant. This big elephant starts with E. Eel. Look, it's eel. Starts with E. Eel. E. F is for frog. It's a frog, green frog. F is for frog, or frog starts with F. Fox, look, it's a fox. Fox starts with F. Fox, F-O-X, spells fox. Look, it's a fish. Fish starts with F. E is for eagle. Eagle. F is for flower. My little book of ABC. My little book of ABC. Next. G and H. What's inside? Let's find out. Oh my, it's hiding. I think I saw a goat. Let's find out. Goat. There, G is for goat. G-O-A-T spells goat. Grapes. Yummy. Grapes starts with letter G. And there's a goose. A beautiful goose. Goose spells goose. H is for hat. Hat starts with letter H. There's a heart also. It's pink. Heart starts with H. Heart. And horse also begins with H. It's a beautiful horse. What's next? Let's find out here. Oh my! What's inside? It's hiding. Oh, there. There's a gloves. G is for gloves. And H is for hammer. Can you see this? Wow, it's nice. Next. It's I and J. Look inside and you will see. What's inside? Oh my, it's hiding. The letter I is for ink. I-N-K spells ink. I-N-K spells ink. This is big I and little I. There's an ice cream. Yummy ice cream. I is for ice cream. Yum yum. Insect also starts with letter I. There's a J. It's a chat. Oh my, it's a red chat. Jacket starts with J. J-A-C-K-E-T spells jacket. And a jar starts with J. Look, there's an iguana. Iguana starts with letter I. J is for jaguar. Wow, this is amazing. Next. Look, there's K and L. Let's find out what's inside this book. K and L. I think I saw a kangaroo and the keys. K is for keys. K is for kite. And K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for leaf. L is for lemon. K is for koala. Koala. K-O-A-L-A spells koala. Lizard. L is for lizard. M. Look, there's M and N. M is for, can you see this? Mouse and giraffe. It's a neck. Wait. Oh my, the moon is hiding. Look. It's nice. M is for mouse. Mouse starts with letter M. Mug starts with letter M. Moon starts with letter M. M-O-O-N spells moon. N is for nest. There's an egg. Nest. N is for neck. Giraffe has long neck. There's also number 9. N-I-N-E spells 9. And there's a mittens. This one is a mittens. Look. A mittens starts with letter M. M-I-T-T-E-N spells mitten. There's a nut. N-U-T spells nut. A nice book. O and P together. So Let's find out. O is for orange. Orange. Yummy. Orange. Orange is a fruit. O is for octopus. Octopus. O is for owl. And P is for pig. P. P is for plate. And P is for pumpkin. O is for ostrich and P is for penguin. Q and R. Q is for quill. Quill spells quill. Q is for queen. Queen spells queen. And there's a quail. Queil spells quail. R is for rabbit. R is for red. R-E-D spells red. It's a rattle. Rattle starts with letter R. Q is for quilt. Quilt. And R is for rooster. S and T. Wow, it's a nice book. S is for sun. It's a beautiful sun. S is for socks and S is for shoes. T is for truck. Truck. T is for tiger. Oh no, the tiger looks sad. T is for top. S is for snail. And T is for telephone. This is cute. Next. U is for umbrella. Umbrella starts with letter U. V is for violets. Violets. W is for whale. Whale. U is for up. U is for urchin. Urchin. V is for vase and V is for vulture. W is for wolf and W is for watermelon. Yummy watermelon. And the last two letters. Let's find out. Oh my. X is for X-ray. X. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Xylophone. And X is for fox. Fox ends with X. Y is for yams. And Z is for zip. And Z is for zero. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye. I'm Elmo and I'm Cookie Monster saying goodbye. Bye.